everyone, this is Melissa Armo with the Stock Swoosh, and I'm here today to tell you about an upcoming webinar, Train Your Brain to Make Money Trading One Strategy. And I'm telling you, this is so true. You've got to train your brain. How do you think that I do this so quickly, so well every day? Because I have trained my brain to do one thing day after day after day after day, and that's how I'm able to pick the right stock every day to trade in the right direction. If you'd like more information, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. Go to Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Skype, and like me at any one of these places. The free lecture is Monday, September 14th. Wonderful day to do a lecture. Fashion Week in New York, by the way. Time of the lecture is 4:30 Eastern Time. Go click here and sign up. Registration is free. So can you make money in the market using advanced technical analysis skills? Yes. And how do I do that? Using my strategy. So my strategy is actually based on technical analysis, advanced technical analysis. And this is how you're training your brain. The Stock Swoosh, which is my company, which is me, has a new and bold way of how to accurately read directional bias of price using one strategy. This strategy trains your brain to read advanced technical analysis in stocks in live time to make money. Learn a new technical method that no one else is teaching. There is one underlying principle that exists in the world of the market and in every chart and ETF in existence. What is it? Come to this live webinar to learn more. Learn how to read a new pattern that exists in the market. Focus on the science and mathematics of technical analysis and trading your brain, and this has to do with science too. Get back to the basics of numbers so your brain can read it live and quickly. Learn how powerful price can be for your substantial gains in the market. Know what to look for so you can take trades to make money, because this is the object of why you would trade in the first place. You're not trading to losing, you're trading to win. Okay? Some days I don't even take a trade. Why? Because I don't see it. It's not there. I've trained my brain to see it or not see it. And when I don't see it, I don't do anything. So I don't lose. That's how you do it. Learn what is important in a chart and why. Your brain is powerful. You are powerful. Your brain is the #1 reason why you have the power to be successful in the market and in life. This is so true. Train your brain right, and the money will come. So it's about making money using one strategy. You train it, and you go in over and over and over again. It's the consistency. Understanding how to read price in the correct direction is a key ingredient in profiting in the market, and you duplicate it day after day after day. It's a duplication. Set yourself apart from the world of novice traders and investors by not doing 1 million things all over the place, okay? You're getting good at one thing. And technical analysis using the one strategy. Experts have knowledge, do their homework, and read information in real time in the form of price patterns and charts. Becoming an expert in technical analysis is a vital ingredient to becoming successful as a professional trader or investor. What a current company's value or worth is always reflected in the price now, and that's why you can use this method to do it. Price patterns and charts hold the key to making decisions ahead of time and in the moment to profit and profit substantially. Making money in the market involves making timely decisions based on price. Price supersedes everything else, even fundamentals. And this is true. In this informative lecture, we will also examine the QQQ and the SPY and other stock charts. So if you want to learn an advanced technical analysis method to accurately read directional bias in stocks and the market, come to this live webinar, because I'm going to talk about it, how you can train your brain to do it. That is how you're making the money and the profits over and over again. You've got to get yourself in the right path of success. If you are looking for a world-class trading system and mentor, that's me. My name is Melissa Armo, and I own a company called the Stock Swoosh. So if you want to make $1 million in the market, whether it's in 1 year or 10 years or over the span of your lifetime, you've got to learn how to do one thing very well. You've got to understand it, and you have to train your brain to do it properly. Ultimately, for many, many people that want to day trade, it's a career choice. One important key factor in becoming a successful trader is keeping in mind the bigger picture while living in the now. You can live in the now with your daily decisions, but you always have to have a plan of action. Like right now, this second, I have a plan of action, which is hilarious actually, because my plan of action is massive. It's bigger than any plan of action I ever could have conceived. But I have the bigger picture in mind of where I want to go and who I want to become and who I'm growing into, this woman, okay? And the same thing, you have to do the same thing too. And if you're a man, you're growing into this bigger man for yourself, where you want to make more money for yourself, and you need to know what that is. If you do not keep the bigger picture in mind, the regular everyday things in life will consume your daily thoughts, and you will never ever reach the bigger picture goal. Trading is a career choice and a lifestyle choice of the bigger picture. Many people struggle to remember the bigger picture goals and dreams during their day-to-day activities. This was a trade I did last week. It was joy. Fabulous, beautiful trade. In only a few minutes, I made $4,500, and this is the bigger picture. Some people don't make $4,500 in a month, and I made it in one trade in one day in several minutes. Some people don't make this in a week, in a month. It's a career. You could do this for a career if you learn my method, and I am doing it. Self-empowerment. This is about empowering you to do it in the market. I teach a class. It's called the Golden Gap Course. It is a full 2-day course on how to strategically find, pick, and place stocks that are professional bearish gaps. Retakes are free. The class is online. It is September 19th and 20th. Cost of the class is $34.99. It's from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Email me here if you'd like to sign up. I must tell you that the cost of the class is going up as of October 1st. If you want to do this, the time is now. You'll learn how to trade and trade with me in the live room then for earnings season in the fall and fourth quarter. I also teach a class on trends. This is October 21st and 22nd, 12 to 4. This is for long-term trades, options, overnights. It's $9.99. And you can do both right now for $39.99. It saves you $500 almost. It's a great, great deal. Again, the free lecture is September 14th, 4:30 Eastern Time. Just go to this link and click right here. Registration is free. It's just required ahead of time. Thank you, everyone, for coming, and have a wonderful, wonderful week.